Welcome back to Bike Zone, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa, a machine that has captured the imagination of riders and enthusiasts alike for over 2 decades. Let's break down what makes this iconic superbike tick in 2025, from its design to performance and everything in between. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more newly updates about automotive new models and auto industry news and reviews. The legacy of the Hayabusa. Before we delve into the specifics of the 2025 model, let's take a moment to acknowledge the legacy of the Hayabusa. First introduced in 1999, the Suzuki Hayabusa quickly became a symbol of power, speed, and cutting-edge technology. Known for its blistering acceleration and aerodynamic design, it redefined what a sport bike could be. The Hayabusa was a pioneer in both performance and design, and it still holds a special place in the hearts of motorcycling enthusiasts worldwide. Now, in 2025, Suzuki aims to keep that legacy alive while adding modern features and upgrades. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Hayabusa carries forward the distinctive silhouette we've come to expect, but with subtle refinements. While it still maintains that aggressive, aerodynamic front fairing, Suzuki has updated the bodywork to enhance both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The lines are sharper, and the curves more aggressive, giving it a more futuristic look while staying true to its heritage. The iconic bird graphic that adorns the sides of the bike is still there, but it now features more dynamic and modern design elements. The 2025 model also offers a range of new color options, including metallic and matte finishes, to appeal to a wider audience. Whether you're a fan of bold, bright colors or prefer a more understated look, the 2025 Hayabusa offers something for everyone. Engine and performance. The heart of any Hayabusa is its engine, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. The 1,340 cubic centimeters, 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine remains the powerhouse that defines this superbike. However, Suzuki has made key tweaks to improve both performance and efficiency. With a refined engine map, the 2025 Hayabusa offers even more usable power, delivering a smoother ride without compromising on top-end speed. Suzuki also introduced a new exhaust system, designed to optimize performance while meeting modern emission standards. The result? A bike that not only performs at the highest level but does so more cleanly. Expect the Hayabusa to deliver the same gut-wrenching acceleration, but now with more control and refinement, especially when cornering or navigating tighter sections of the road. Electronics and technology. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is packed with cutting-edge electronics, making it one of the most technologically advanced bikes in its class. A 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, enables advanced rider assistance features like cornering ABS, traction control, and launch control, all designed to keep you safe while maximizing performance. Suzuki also continues to offer its suite of ride modes, which allow riders to adjust the bike's performance to suit their style and the road conditions. Whether you prefer a more aggressive power delivery or a smoother, more controlled experience, the Hayabusa's electronics package lets you fine-tune it to perfection. Perhaps most notable is the addition of a new TFT display. This high-resolution screen provides all the vital riding information in a clear, easy-to-read format. It also offers smartphone connectivity, so you can pair your bike with your phone to access navigation, music, and even call notifications while riding. Handling and comfort. One of the key aspects of the 2025 Hayabusa that riders will appreciate is its handling. Suzuki has worked hard to improve the bike's suspension and chassis to offer a more comfortable and stable ride, especially at high speeds. The front and rear suspension have been upgraded to provide better responsiveness and control, particularly on rougher surfaces. This makes the Hayabusa not only faster but also more versatile, able to handle different road conditions with ease. In terms of comfort, Suzuki has made slight adjustments to the ergonomics. The seat height and handlebar positioning are optimized for better rider comfort, whether you're on a quick blast down the highway or a longer, more relaxed ride. Despite its aggressive performance capabilities, the 2025 Hayabusa offers surprisingly good long-distance comfort for a superbike. Safety features. Safety has always been a priority for Suzuki, and the 2025 Hayabusa continues that trend. The advanced electronic rider aids, including the IMU-based systems, work in tandem to provide optimal safety. The bike features cornering ABS, which ensures the brakes are applied in a controlled manner even while leaning into a turn. Traction control has been enhanced to provide more sensitive adjustments, preventing wheel spin during rapid acceleration or slippery conditions. Additionally, the 2025 Hayabusa is equipped with a quick-shift system for both upshifting and downshifting, which improves both comfort and safety by reducing the chance of misshifts. This makes high-speed riding and track days even smoother and more enjoyable. Price and availability. While official pricing may vary depending on your location, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is expected to be priced similarly to previous models, making it accessible to many enthusiasts while still positioning itself as a premium offering in the superbike market. Suzuki has also hinted at some limited edition models with exclusive color schemes and features, which could drive the price up a bit for those looking for something truly unique. As for availability, the 2025 Hayabusa is set to hit dealerships in the second quarter of 2025, so be sure to keep an eye out for pre-order announcements if you're eager to get your hands on one. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is a remarkable evolution of an already legendary bike. With improvements in performance, safety, technology, and comfort, it remains a top contender in the superbike world. Whether you're a longtime Hayabusa fan or a new rider looking for the ultimate performance machine, the 2025 model promises to offer the best of everything. That wraps up our breakdown of the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone for more motorcycle news and reviews. Catch you in the next video.